In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer taillight bulb on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. It's very easy and it's only going to need us a few tools. First off, let's open up the trunk. Now, we need to take that cover off. That's on the side of the trunk there. Alright, so just pull that cover off. Now, first off, let's get that electrical connector out of the way. So, we need to squeeze it and then pull it out. So squeeze that and pull it out like that. Now, you see how that works? You just gotta squeeze it. Now, there are 4 nuts over there that we need to take off. For that, we need a small ratchet and 10mm socket. So let's take all the 4 nuts off. Be sure not to drop them over there, because then it's very hard to find it. And then keep them safe so we don't lose them. Now the tail light is ready to be taken out. So we're going to grab it and pull it out straight. So just grab the tail light like that. Wiggle it a little bit if you need to. Pull it out straight and out it comes. Now there are 4 bulbs in here. That's the turn signal bulb. That's the tail light. That's the stop light. And that's the side marker bulb. So 4 bulbs in total. Okay, so now that is where that taillight bulb is, and that's the bulb holder there. So to get it out, we need to just twist it left and then just slide it out. You may have to wiggle the holder a little bit. Don't grab on the wires there to pull it out. You don't want to damage the wires. So just wiggle it a little bit, and then the bulb holder comes out. Alright, now to get the bulb out, just grab the bulb, pull it out. Simple as that. Get a new bulb and put the bulb in there. Align it with the slot there. Just push it in. Done. Make sure the bulb is clean. Now you see that big tab over there on the bulb holder? It aligns with that tab or that slot over there in the tail light. So align them so, and that makes your job easy. The holder just goes in, sits flush. Now we just need to twist it right and it's gonna lock in place. Done. That's it. See, it's not moving. We're good. Now it's time to put the tail light back into the car. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 holes over there in the tail light, and 5 in the body that we need to align it to. And on the end over there, there's that slot that we need to align as well. So you put that in there straight. And when you're doing this, you want to also keep an eye on where it aligns from inside the car. Alright? So align it, take your time with it. There's no rush. Take a few seconds. Align it. And once you're good, give a bit of a push like that. Let's see what it looks like from inside the car. Align, push now. Okay, done. Now let's just put all the 4 nuts back in. You can hand tighten them first and then tighten them using the socket and ratchet. Alright, just you don't have to go crazy tight, just tighten them enough. Let's put the electrical connector back in place. It just goes in one way, so you can't mess that up. Just put that in there and slide it and just push it. Clicked. Done. Now let's put that cover back on. Again, there's a trick to doing this. Just do exactly how I'm doing it and then it'll be easy. So put the edges in first. And then gradually put the flaps on. Alright, and that's pretty much it.